Okay, so today we gonna do something different. I know I've been telling y'all like for a while that I want to switch up the content and switch up type of stuff that I do with the channel. And I came up with something that was kind of dope for me and I hope y'all really like it. And that's what we gonna do today. Check this out, tell me what y'all think. This is the first ever episode, the first ever, what do you want to call it? This is the first ever put together of a segment I want to call Snipe Report. Now, Snipe Report is not just what you see today. Snipe Report is like a bunch of things, but this is like the segment I'm gonna bring it to you as. One of the coolest things I think I've always seen is like when I go on like other people's IG or even celebrities' Instagram when I check out like the outfits. Cool story real quick. I've never really been into fashion. I've always been into shoes, but I never really been into fashion. So like a long period of my life, I wasn't able to put pieces together because I just had no knowledge and no awareness in like the fashion type, and you know, I had no idea. So what I used to do was I used to look on Instagram and I used to look at cool fits and I would mimic them in my own way, which led me to think of this. Now this is episode 1 of the Snipe Report, so I'm gonna make some cool graphics and a cool intro for this later, but today we're just gonna go ahead and thug it out. Now what I wanted to do today was go over some of the dopest outfits I've seen all year from some of y'all favorite NBA players, because some of these dudes just be teed up, bro. There's one in particular I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit later in the video. Before we start off doing this though, I do want to give a huge shout out to Feast and Treats. She does have a YouTube channel, I linked it down below. The reason why I'm linking Feast and Treats is because even though I'm rating NBA players and I'm going over like famous people outfits, she does have her own segment out here called Fashion Police, where her and a bunch of her friends go online and actually do it live. Look at other people's outfits within the community. They talk about it, they discuss it, they go over it, and it's pretty cool. Y'all should check it out. If y'all enjoy this, y'all probably enjoy that as well. I'm excited about this one, man. I want to do this more continuously. If y'all liking this segment, then let me know down below. If not, it's cool. We gonna figure it out, bro. We bringing something new to the channel, bro. I'm not gonna keep doing the same content all the time. I gotta switch it up. So I'm thinking once a week, we can do a Snipe Report on what's going on and who's wearing what's looking good, what's not. I need y'all comments down below. All right, so let's get into it. Number 1, let me go ahead and scoot over a little bit, man. Number 1, we got my boy Shay Gilchrist Alexander, aka SGA. Now, I'm gonna put it right here. Shay, bruh, Shay is the best dressed player in the NBA. No cap in my rap. I'm not stuttering, I'm not mumbling. Some of y'all might know who Shay is. Played last year with my favorite player, Chris Paul, for the OKC Thunder. He has the best fashion in the NBA to me, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, he kind of have on this sherbet type top. This cropped type sweater you got on right now, kind of like a blend. You see the orange, it blends to the yellow, blends to the green, and it looks like some type of wool material. I'm pretty sure whatever it is pretty expensive, I ain't gonna cap. Now, what's cool is how he has the oversized shirt up under it. And me personally, I just got into the oversized look. You can look at my Instagram. The oversized look is new to me, but I always thought it was cool, but I never would have known if it would work for me. You got the Go Yard duffel bag in hand and say, "Don't mind my drip," and that's cool because the "Don't mind my drip" is multicolored, so it shows the outfit a little bit of love. The black pants is probably what made all of this go together because everything is super bright, you know what I'm saying? Black pants really calms it down, and then we go to the feet, and he has one of my favorite dunks of all time. He has the Syracuse dunks on to bring it all together. So rate SGA's outfit and his sneakers down below, the whole thing. I'm gonna give this a solid 9, bro. SGA don't disappoint me. He never disappoints me ever. Every time SGA come through, always fly, bro. I mean, like every time. This dude always killing. Next up, we got my favorite player. Okay, y'all see the actually, okay, y'all don't see the autograph ball up there. The autograph ball is up there. Autograph jersey is in there. And pretty soon I'm gonna have an autograph shoe. You know what I'm saying? Or actually, pretty soon, I'm gonna get him on the channel. We got Chris Paul from the Phoenix Suns, man. CP has always been on his grown man. And what I mean by that, he dresses like with like the big hats, and sometimes he come through with like the dad jackets, but he's still always in his bag. Now, one thing about Chris Paul that y'all all know is he's a Jordan brand athlete. So he got a lot of PEs. He got a lot of access to any Jordan he wants. So when it comes to shoes, Chris Paul is never disappointing us with the Jordans. And as y'all can see in this video, it's fire, okay? So we got the oversized peacoat. And the reason why the oversized peacoat is tough, because it's like a darker tan, right? And up under he has the Essentials long sleeve, and it looks like it's probably a crew neck sweater. It's up under that. It don't look like a t-shirt, but it's like a different color blocking than the oversized jacket on top. So the jacket on top is like a hard tan, up under it is like a lighter tan, and it goes directly with the pants. Meanwhile, the jacket is hidden directly with the shoes. I think this is a cool fit. Those are sweatpants he got on. So he ain't even trying right now, bro. He just got the Essentials fit on. I really think the peacoat really pops the fours. The off-white fours is, come on. we already know that might have been one of the best shoes that released last year. For Chris Paul, that's nothing to get off white for. I mean, he signed with Jordan Brand, so I'm not really surprised he got like the heat on feet. But I really love how he put this together. I thought this was fire. I'm going to give this one a solid 9.5 too. You know what? I think I picked out all good outfits. Next time, this is my first time, I'm going to pick out some bad ones too. But yeah, this is a solid 9.5. I ain't gonna hold you. This is tough. This is tough. Next up, we got my boy Dwayne Bacon. Now, I've been a fan of Dwayne Bacon since he was in high school. Corey Sanders is like his best friend. He had like this day in the life thing on YouTube years ago before Dwayne Bacon even went to Florida State. And I've been to who he was. And I ain't gonna hold you. Bacon used to play for the Charlotte Hornets, and he was like the best dressed player on the Charlotte Hornets. Now he's playing in Orlando. I just got into hats too. Shout out to Kai. Kai sent me over some hats. I wore them. I was feeling myself, and then I went out and bought hats because I liked how that hat looked. So he got the Half and Bad section. I know a lot of y'all probably don't know what Bad section is. Y'all can check them out on Instagram. They got a lot of cool stuff. And the t-shirt, the black tee, is from No Feelings Clothing. Now, I like how the pants are utility pants. The utility pants are tough. Those are the Thomas Christos pants, and I like the graphic print right underneath the pocket. One thing about me is, man, when it comes to like the pants, the utility pants usually have like the front pockets like on the thighs. That's tough to me. I don't know why I like those so much, but they're just so much different than like the side pockets, and it adds like dimension to your pants, if you get what I'm saying. I'm a huge fan of utility pants. I got a few of those from Minimal. I got utility shorts. I got utility jogging pants, man. I really like the utility look. And of course, at the bottom on the feet. I think what makes this outfit pop is he's wearing all black. You know what I'm saying? And the biohacks just demand so much respect from the colorway of the biohacks that everything just pretty much goes together. Even the tee, even though the tee is black, it still has like that pinkish look that's actually on the biohack one. I think it was dope. And then like the blue kind of offsets everything. So yeah, that's dope, man. Shout out to my boy Dwayne Bacon. So next up we got Karl Anthony Towns. And what Karl Anthony Towns did was very dope, okay? I've never really been a big fan of these hoodies that everybody's starting to wear with like the graphic print on them of like whatever. I know Young Thug got some. I seen like LiAngelo Ball, who I definitely got to get on here because LiAngelo Ball be teed up, bro. Even if y'all say he can't hoop, whatever, bro, be teed up. Karl Anthony Towns plays for, of course, the Minnesota Timberwolves, and they called him, man. He got the New York fitted on, you know what I'm saying? He got the New York snapback on, the dad hat. He also got the hoodie I was telling you guys about. That's a lot of people are starting to wear these. I don't know the brand that it comes from, but I'm seeing it a lot all over the league, all over social media. And I think he also has a pair of the brown pants. Now these brown pants aren't cargo pants, they're just like the brown pants with like the tapered bottom. And I just thought it was cool with the Travis Scott ones. I mean, the Travis Scott ones are essential, you know what I'm saying? You see I got the lows and the highs up there, really fire shoes. And I like how it was put together. Even though I said the hoodie isn't my type, doesn't mean it don't look good on him. I don't think I would wear something like that. But like I say, I'm open. You know what I'm saying? Having a girlfriend that's a stylist definitely opens your mind to wearing stuff that you never thought you would be wearing. So I'm not opposed to really wearing anything unless it's like crossing boundaries. But yeah, it's fire, man. Let me know what y'all rate Karl Anthony Towns fit down below. Next up, we got my young boy, my young bull, okay? We got LaMelo Ball. Quick thing I want to say about LaMelo Ball. LaMelo Ball is playing for the Charlotte Hornets, and he's just signed to Puma. Everybody talking trash about Puma need to stop. They're getting every young athlete that walks inside the NBA. They didn't get Zion or Luka, but they literally got everybody else. And the reason why that is important is because Puma is making this huge stretch to be like one of the next bigger brands that's pushing out not only basketball sneakers, but a lot of stuff in like the urban and streetwear community. Now, just because Puma doesn't have crazy resale value, or because Puma isn't Jordan or Nike or Off-White or Virgil, a lot of people literally push them to the back ASAP. But I'm telling you now, bro, I'm not ashamed to wear my Pumas. Puma sends me stuff all the time. I appreciate them. And y'all better start putting some respect on Puma name, man. Anyway, LaMelo Ball coming through with the OVO crew neck sweater. I really thought that was dope. We got like offsetting pants that goes with this. It's nothing too crazy. What I really wanted to talk about was how Puma laced him. If you see in his hands, he has like the mismatched shoes, the Puma shoes. And LaMelo is really big on two emojis. He always has the dancing emoji. I think that's in his Instagram bio too. And he also always has like the hot emoji. And I think that Puma sent him over a customized shoe with both of those emojis in the back. I put that picture up there as well. And that's dope. I mean, because you can't really have a Puma PE. Can you? I guess you can't have a Puma PE, but I guess Puma PEs aren't as spicy as a Nike PE or a Jordan PE. So I just thought it was dope that Puma, you know, sent them over something customized like that. I think the shoes got me more than the outfit. The outfit is pretty normal, nothing crazy, but y'all can still rate it down below or rate the Pumas. What y'all think about the Pumas down below? Next up, we got my dog Montrezl Harrell from the LA Lakers. I really like what Montrezl Harrell did here, bro. Number one, I'm a big fan of the utility vest. Pretty much anything utility, bro, just sign me up. The utility vest really looks good. And then he got the Tommy Buckets graphic tee. Now, a lot of people don't know Tommy Buckets is a cool Instagram account that has a website, and they have a lot of new shirts that look vintage. So they kind of pre-make and they make a vintage look. So I know it might be hard to go out there and find vintage clothing. So they literally get a brand new shirt, get a brand new graphic print, and like kind of distress it, make it look a little ashy, and makes it look vintage so you still get that nice vintage feel. You also got the olive green pants to top it off at the bottom of the feet. He got the Yeezy 700 Moab or whatever you want to call it. But I thought that this was pretty solid. I like the way it flows together. And Trey's pretty much be teed up too. You know what I'm saying? This is the first Adidas we got in here, I think, though. You know what I'm saying? The first person that has some Yeezys on. But yeah, let me know what y'all think of Trey's outfit. I thought that this was pretty smooth. This is something that I would wear, something that I would try out. So I'm liking that. Tell me your thoughts and opinions of Snipe Report. Are y'all feeling this? Are y'all rocking with this? I plan to do a lot more segments like this, and this is going to be weekly. Something weekly, something new, once a week, maybe even every Saturday or Sunday, depending on how it works out. But this is something that I definitely want to continue to do. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and I will see y'all in the next one. Everybody want to be famous, but who be putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.